Hello, welcome to the HC Programming channel. Subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get notified of the latest videos from us. HTML5. Chapter 1, Getting Started with HTML. Section 1.1, Hello World. Introduction. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, uses a markup system composed of elements that represent specific content. Markup means that with HTML you declare what is presented to a viewer, not how it is presented. Visual representations are defined by cascading style sheets, CSS, and realized by browsers. Still, existing elements that allow for such, like for example font, are entirely obsolete, and must not be used by authors. HTML is sometimes called a programming language, but it has no logic, so is a markup language. HTML tags provide semantic meaning and machine readability to the content on the page. An element usually consists of an opening tag smaller than element_name greater than, a closing tag smaller than /element_name greater than, which contain the element's name surrounded by angle brackets, and the content in between, smaller than element_name greater than, content, smaller than /element_name greater than. There are some HTML elements that don't have a closing tag or any content. These are called void elements. Void elements include img, meta, link, and input. Element names can be thought of as descriptive keywords for the content they contain, such as video, audio, table, footer. An HTML page may consist of potentially hundreds of elements which are then read by a web browser, interpreted, and rendered into human-readable or audible content on the screen. For this document, it is important to note the difference between elements and tags. Elements, video, audio, table, footer. Tags, video, audio, table, footer, /HTML, /body. Element insight. Let's break down a tag. The P tag represents a common paragraph. Elements commonly have an opening tag and a closing tag. The opening tag contains the element's name and angle brackets, P. The closing tag is identical to the opening tag with the addition of a forward slash between the opening bracket and the element's name, /P. Content can then go between these two tags. P. This is a simple paragraph. /P. Creating a simple page. The following HTML example creates a simple Hello World web page. HTML files can be created using any text editor. The files must be saved with a .html or .htm extension in order to be recognized as HTML files. Once created, this file can be opened in any web browser. The following is an example of writing HTML code using a text editor. Simple page breakdown. These are the tags used in the example. Doctype tag defines the HTML version used in the document. In this case, it is HTML5. HTML tag opens the page. No markup should come after the closing tag, /HTML. The lang attribute declares the primary language of the page using the ISO language codes, and for English. Head tag opens the head section, which does not appear in the main browser window but mainly contains information about the HTML document, called metadata. It can also contain imports from external style sheets and scripts. The closing tag is /head. Meta tag gives the browser some metadata about the document. The charset attribute declares the character encoding. Modern HTML documents should always use UTF-8, even though it is not a requirement. In HTML, the meta tag does not require a closing tag. Title tag. The title of the page. Text written between this opening and the closing tag, /title, will be displayed on the tab of the page or in the title bar of the browser. Body tag opens the part of the document displayed to users, i.e. all the visible or audible content of the page. No content should be added after the closing tag /body. H1 tag. A level 1 heading for the page. P tag represents a common paragraph of text. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and activate the bell so you get notifications for the latest videos from us. Look forward to the next video and see you later.